Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I used this snow globe shelf sitter from Dollar Tree and this stencil from Amazon. I started by removing the twine and sanding down the front of the snow globe just to remove all that glitter. I took Sage Color chalk paint by Folkart, painted the snow globe part of the shelf sitter, front, back, and sides, giving it 2 coats. And to smooth out the paint, I just went back in with a sponge and just dabbed all over the paint, just so I didn't have any paint streaks. Once that was dry, I taped off the snow globe area all the way around and used Plaster chalk paint to paint the base, just giving that full coverage. And then I'm taking this small stencil I got from Amazon, as well as some pixie spray from Amazon, sprayed on the back of the stencil and let that dry completely. It'll just feel a little tacky on the back. I placed it down on one side of the snow globe and then used the Plaster chalk paint again in a stencil brush with very minimal paint on it and stenciled on all of the areas. And I did 2 coats, drying it in between. And then I went in with this extreme glitter in the color hologram and just painted on the trees just to give them a little bit of shine. And I did that before I removed the stencil, so it was just on the trees. And that's it so far. And then I wanted to give it more of a snow-like effect, so I took the back of this acrylic nail brush that I have. It just has a metal ball on one end. Just dipped it in the paint and tapped it all around the snow globe area. Dried that completely and then took some snow text and just placed that all around the edge of the snow globe just on the front. I dried that completely and then took the glitter again and brushed that on the base of the snow globe as well as the snow text. Last thing I did was took this gray and white twine, wrapped it around the base and the snow globe where those meet, just wrapped around a couple times and then tied it in a bow just off to one side. That's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.